Hi, myself Khushboo Patel, and today I am presenting the check verification system Sprint 2. And in this project, my role is a database manager. Here is a team component details, start date and finish date, team members' names, roles, and working hours. Here is a Sprint 2 task list, including reading data from check, display captured pay data, validate captured data with dataset, date verification, option to manually enter data, testing and modification, and sprint meeting. Here is a 12 different user stories we can include it in Sprint 2. As a user, I want the application to check the date on the check to ensure that is not expired or post dated. As a user, I want to able to manually enter check information in case check is unsuccessful or check is damaged. As a user, I want the application to be able to scan and verify handwritten check as well. I want the application to flag checks that are close to their expiry date so I can deposit them in a timely manner. Here is a client and supervisor feedback, remove signature verification option. So we can remove the signature verification option in this screen. And if auto detection does not work, so try manual data entry. Here is a check scanning page. Here is a two option, upload a check or scan a check. If upload a check, so we can just upload a check from our system and all the data will be extracted here. Otherwise, we can use the printer scanner and scan to check and extract all the data will be displayed here. This is a check used for scanning. Here is a like all the data extract here, like all pay name, bank name, amount, date, account number, IFSC, and all the details. Here is a scan history. We can just show total scan is 124. We can 124 check scan from now. This is admin side. Admin side, we can also see the total registered users, how many users registered in this application, and also upload a bank details, total scan. We can also just see the check verification status, how many days remaining until the expiry date, and which bank check or which IFSC code this is. We can also here print the check. This is test cases. So tester, all the test cases scan and check if this is successfully run or not. Here is the changes to be carried forward into the next screen, like manage users and scan from the admin side. Here is the individual component. My role is a database manager. So I have implemented all the database operations for visualizing total user and scan count on the user and admin interface. I have also logic for scanning bank check using printer scanner. Also extracting payment details from the bank check. Also logic for strong data extracted from the check to the database. Here also extract data in presenting logic for required format using a regular expressions. How did I apply stream specific knowledge to my project? Here I am utilizing knowledge of file handling and database operations from data insertion. Also we can use this data design for ER diagram. So I know the how to web application to model the database schema and relationship between the different entities. Also use the database design and management knowledge as well as SQL queries, creating and managing user accounts. Also, I have implementing date and time functions to operations for updating threshold value with date and all the exact time. What did I learn from in the past sprint? I learned like database design and how to management using SQL and other database management tool. Also database operations for data insertion, modification and deletion options. Also file handling operations like how to upload and reading data from CSV file. Also visualizing the database schema and relationship between different entities. So I know how to all the data is retrieved from the database manager role, and so many data will be accessed. So I have all the data will be saved saved and it's a secure place. What could I have could better in the sprint? So password reset link can be used instead of sending password directly over email. So if customer is forgot password, so if customer is recover password and they can register email ID type, so customers got the email from a reset your password, and customer by own they can reset her or him password by self.